Welcome to our channel, where today, we delve into the fascinating world of blogging for dollars creating content that cashes in. Blogging has evolved significantly from its humble beginnings as a virtual diary. It is now transformed into a powerful platform for generating income. In this video, we'll explore how you can create content that not only engages, but also enriches, allowing you to turn your passion into profit. The journey begins by choosing the right niche, which is paramount for successful blogging. A niche should reflect your passion and expertise, as these are the drivers that create authentic and compelling content. However, passion alone is not enough. Consider the marketability of your chosen niche. Trends change, and the digital landscape evolves rapidly, so selecting a niche that is both profitable and sustainable is essential for long-term success. Tools like Google Trends or SEMrush can help you assess the potential of various topics. Once you've defined your niche, crafting a robust content strategy is the next step. Successful bloggers understand the importance of consistency and quality. Content calendars can help maintain regular posting schedules and ensure that each post aligns with overarching long-term goals. Diversify the types of content you produce, engaging articles, eye-catching images, and maybe even videos to cater to different audience preferences. Remember, each piece should provide value, offering solutions, insights, or entertainment. SEO, or search engine optimization, plays a vital role in amplifying your reach. By researching and integrating relevant keywords into your content naturally, blogs can rank higher in search results, leading to increased visibility and traffic. It's not just about what you write, but how you present it. Optimized titles, meta descriptions, and using alt text for images all play their part. While it's tempting to write for search engines, always prioritize creating content for humans. Algorithms change, but well-written, meaningful content stands the test of time. Monetizing a blog can take various forms. Affiliate marketing is a popular path, where you earn by promoting others' products or services through referral links. Display advertising, via platforms like Google AdSense, can also be effective, albeit dependent on significant traffic volumes. Creating and selling your own products, such as ebooks or exclusive content subscriptions, can provide a more direct revenue stream, converting devoted followers into customers. Engagement with your audience cannot be overstated. Building a community around your blog fosters loyalty and repeat readership, which are crucial for monetization. Encourage comments, respond to feedback, and adapt your content to demonstrate that you value your audience's input. Including easy-to-navigate calls to action can guide your visitors to engage further or make purchases, enhancing both the reader experience and your profitability. Networking is another key component of successful blogging. Collaborating with fellow bloggers and influencers in your niche can expose your content to a broader audience. Guest posting, joint ventures, and participation in online forums or social media groups establish your authority and fortify your presence in the blogging community. Finally, it's crucial to remain adaptable. The digital world is in constant flux, and staying updated with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices will keep your blog relevant and competitive. Continuous learning through e-courses, webinars, and industry conferences ensures you do not just survive but thrive in the dynamic ecosystem of blogging. In conclusion, creating content that cashes in is a strategic blend of passion, planning, and persistence. By understanding your niche, crafting compelling content, utilizing SEO, and establishing multiple income streams, you can turn your blog from a mere digital diary into a lucrative business. Remember, the initial stages might be challenging, but with dedication, creativity, and a clear strategy, the rewards can be substantial. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights into the digital world. Stay locked in for non-stop side hustle inspiration. Follow and subscribe. Urgent need for income right now? Check out www.kill9to5.com.